Hi, welcome to Landscape of Mothers. I'm Jill Clifton. This is sort of the third in a little series about nature and why nature is helpful as we in this parenting journey. And so we've talked about how nature can often provide the things that we missed as children, and that sometimes it's easier to go to nature. It feels safer to go to nature than to other human beings to look for trust, or to look for being held, or to look for being heard. Then we talked about why we might take a specific thing and kind of engineer where we're going to do something in nature. The other possibility is that we really just don't know. We just feel adrift and possibly dysregulated, and we just need something, and we don't know what it is. So in this case, I would say it's possible to use nature by just following your intuition. Go to a place that you like or a place that you don't know. Take the path that feels like it calls to you, and leave yourself open to really noticing what's around you and how it feels. And it's very likely that as you walk along, especially if you're taking sort of a meandering, it's not like a hike kind of walk, but a more meandering walk, a more pausing kind of walk. Pauses help us find the thing that clicks with us or resonates with us. And it's very likely that you would find an animal, a plant, a place, a river, something that another human left behind, that would speak to you in the place that you are. I call this a nature practice, to go at it in this way of just being open and receiving what we see as we go. So some of the important steps in that are being willing to take pauses. So, hesitating, stopping to look at the flower that draws your attention. So taking a pause. And then attention is the next one. We are allowing our attention to draw us in particular places, and so that we can, next step, actually notice the thing. Sometimes it's helpful to write it down. Sometimes everything you need it happens in that moment of you've paused, you've let your awareness kind of float around, it's landed on something that's drawn your attention, and you recognize that thing as somehow relevant to your life and to your world. You can stay with that thing and you can journal about it. It can be something that's 5 seconds long, like you just notice and you're like, oh, right, I know that thing. It's a reminder. Or it's a reflection of where you are and you get to know something more clearly about where you're at in the moment. It can be a long thing. You can stay and journal for 15 or 20 minutes or longer, and it can be this whole unraveling of something that had been previously sort of maybe in like limbo for you, something you didn't recognize or understand. I've also gotten lessons from nature of, don't judge the way I live my life, don't, things like that. And so I've gotten very like directive kind of feedback from nature occasionally. So I hope that helps in you developing your own nature practice. I think it's an important part of healing and choosing a new route through parenting. Thanks for being here.